Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given the ratio of carbon is to hydrogen is to oxygen as 1:2:1. So the total number of units would then be 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4. And this will be important for our next part of the problem, because for part A, we are required to find number of atoms for C when we are given total number of atoms is 24. So this means that 4 units will represent 24 atoms. And our job now for carbon, which is 1 unit. So it is simply 24 divided by 4, and I will get 6 atoms. Okay, so 6 atoms for carbon. Done. Let's make it easier to see. Okay, and for part B, hydrogen. Let me use another color for hydrogen. Oops, hydrogen will be 2 units. So since I already gotten the 1 unit represents 6 atoms, I just need to find 2 units, and that will be 12 atoms. And this will be for my hydrogen. And with that, we have come to the end of this problem. So if you like this video, do give you a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.